Hey, how you going? Aussie Quad here with another video. So today it's just a short one. Just going to do another cooking video. It's currently summer over here in Australia, and in Perth today it's going to get to about 42 degrees. So that's 107 for America. So pretty hot. And usually when it's hot weather like that, you know, you need to keep cool. My house doesn't have aircon, so I've only got the fans on. When you want to eat lunch and stuff, you don't want to have to eat something hot that you have to cook. So I like to make these little snacks that I came up with called crunchy vegan snacks. They're really, really healthy. They're gluten-free, sugar-free, fat-free, salt-free, MSG-free. They're real healthy. You can eat 100 of them and be fine. You can eat as many of them as you want. They do take a little bit of time to make, but it's worth it when you're done. Yeah, so the way to start off with it is get some ice, or if you don't have ice already made, go get some water. So I've got a little ice machine in the fridge here. And I'm a C5 quadriplegic and I can make these all by myself. So it's really easy to do. Alright, so you've got your ice cubes here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ice cubes or whatever. And then you've got your ice cubes there in your little bowl or cup, whatever. And then the second ingredient is a little bit of imagination. Garnish. And there you go. You've got some healthy, gluten-free, fat-free, crunchy vegan snacks. So keep you cool. They're easy to make. Tastes alright. Cold. Crunchy, easy to make. So yeah, and your pets can eat them too. My dog, he likes to eat crunchy vegan snacks, so every now and then I'll give him a couple. That's one thing you got to keep in mind. If you do eat quite a few of them in a row, your tongue goes a bit numb. It gets a bit cold, but yeah. Anyway, just watch them. See you next time. Yeah. Get it? See, even the dog likes the crunchy vegan snacks. Cash, get it? You're a funny dog, mate.